Alright, my name is Dizzle, and here today we're making some fried chicken. I'm going to tell you right now, 90% of my frying recipes have these three basic seasonings. We have garlic powder, Giggedy, dollar store, McCormick, it don't matter, it's all the same. I'm broke as fuck and living in a tin can, so you know I shop to save a lot. But check it out. We got garlic powder, garlic salt, and onion powder. Now, instead of telling you how many teaspoons or how many fucking cups or whatever to put, no. Look, I just take some flour. It looks about, I don't know, a cup or two. Throw that in a fucking bowl. Then you come through with some fucking garlic powder. And basically, you just throw some garlic powder on there, just enough to maybe cover the top of it, something like that. Then you take some onion powder, and don't be shy with the onion powder. The onion powder actually counteracts with that overdose of garlic powder. And you come through with the onion powder, and you coat over the top of the garlic powder. Do not be shy with onion powder by any fucking means, because I'm telling you, onion powder, you could put that in any fucking thing. Now, what we're going to do now is come through with some pepper. Like I said, look, this is all basic, cheap seasonings. The best thing about following the shit that I do is anybody can afford to fucking do this. Now, you're going to take some pepper, and you're just going to throw that on there just like that. Now, you can season to taste, which is what I would recommend that you do. But being that I've done this 100 times, I'm going to just, what I do is I take pepper and I start pouring it almost until, you know, I can smell it counteracting with the onion powder. And now, we're going to take that real quick. I recommend you get a fork, just because if you get a fork rather than a spoon, you can fucking plow through the lumps of flour. The best way to do this is to not have any lumps in your flour. If you like crispy recipe rather than original recipe, then the lumpier the flour, the better off you are. But all we're going to do is just stir this around just a tad. My man Paul D will verify that you can smell garlic and pepper in this.
Yes.
Now, this isn't good enough, so we're going to have to grab some salt here. I don't know where the fuck it is, but we're going to find some salt. Okay, right here. Alright. Now, you can alternate between seasoning salt or regular salt. It just depends on the taste. But I'm just going to go ahead and make my regular fried chicken. And when you salt, we're going to go ahead and give this a generous portion. Basically, we're just going to make it snow on top of the flour. But you're really looking at maybe about 1/3 cup of salt. Alright. Now, I don't think this has enough pepper, because I actually like to see pepper flakes mixed into my flour. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, coat this again with some pepper, and I'm going to stir it around one more time. Okay, can you smell that, Palty?
Yeah.
Okay, now, just for the hell of it, what I usually do is go ahead. Oh shit, that's got way too much, but that's alright, we can still use it. Just give it a bit of garlic salt, okay? And there you go. It's, you know, I'm sloppy like that, but smell that. What's that smell like?
It smells like garlic, onions, pepper, and flour.
Now, believe it or not, how I actually tell if my flour is ready for chicken, okay, is I'll actually dip my finger into the bed of flour that I got here. And when I can taste all three seasonings that I put in here, including the pepper, then I will dub this chicken flour. Now check this out. Just dip your finger in there and lick it. It ain't gonna hurt you. Just dip it in there. You ain't gotta squirt it around. Just lick it. Taste that. Shit's chronic, ain't it?
Yeah.
That's when you know you're ready to fry some chicken.